At the heart of the International Balkan University stands a vision of knowledge that transforms societies, of education that empowers minds, and of collaboration that builds bridges across borders. Today, we celebrate a new chapter in that vision, a chapter defined by innovation, partnership, and academic excellence. On October 28, 2025, we proudly inaugurated BISTLAB, Balkan Economy and Finance Laboratory, established within our Faculty of Economics and Administrative Sciences in cooperation with Borsa İstanbul Inc., marking Borsa İstanbul's first investment abroad. This milestone represents more than the opening of a laboratory. It is the realization of a shared commitment to connect education with industry, to merge academic theory with real-world financial practice, and to prepare a new generation of thinkers, innovators, and leaders. The ceremony brought together representatives from government, academia, and the business community. Among the distinguished speakers were Mr. Recep Süleyman Özdil, President of the IBU Management Board, Professor Dr. Lutfi Sunar, Rector of the International Balkan University, and Associate Professor Dr. Liza Alili Suleimani, Dean of the Faculty of Economics and Administrative Sciences. Their words echoed a shared belief that progress begins with knowledge and that education must serve as the foundation for sustainable economic growth.
Today we are launching Balkan Economy and Finance Laboratory. It will be a good application center for our students in economy and finance area. And they'll use this opportunity for training their staff, for improving their capacity. This is not only for our students, this is also for the members of the sectors.
Üniversitemizde böyle bir finans merkezinin, finans laboratuvarının olması beni ayrıca çok mutlu ediyor. Ekonomi öğrencilerimizin ve ekonomiye ilgi duyan tüm öğrencilerimizin gelecekte çok daha iyi finansçı olarak yetişmelerini sağlayacak olan merkezin üniversitemize, Makedonya'ya hayırlı olmasını diliyorum.
The program featured keynote addresses, the official ribbon-cutting ceremony, and a student demonstration of the virtual stock exchange simulation organized in cooperation with the Macedonian Stock Exchange. Through these activities, BISTLAB opens a space where our students can analyze markets, simulate investment strategies, and understand the dynamics of the global economy, not only through theory, but through experience.
This is a lab where the opinion is to give the opportunity to mix the theory with the practice.
The mission of BISTLAB, Balkan Economic and Finance Laboratory, is actually to serve as a bridge between the theory, academia, and real economy, connecting students, researchers, and practitioners across the Balkans and even beyond.
At the International Balkan University, we believe that true education extends beyond classrooms. It thrives in laboratories, in research, in collaboration, and in every moment where knowledge meets application. As we look ahead, we reaffirm our dedication to nurturing excellence, fostering innovation, and building partnerships that strengthen both academia and society.
We will contribute to the operations of this new innovative laboratory with our in-house developed software called Virtual Stock Exchange, which will be used by the students that will attend this laboratory.
Within this partnership, several activities have already been implemented and more are planned. Opportunities for student internships and participation in the Regulators project where knowledge meets real-world experience.
Future where learning inspires action, where collaboration drives progress, and where the International Balkan University stands as a beacon of knowledge, unity, and transformation.